In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit booking confirmation emails using the WP Travel Engine for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your website, and it's where you'll be accessing the WP Travel Engine settings. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a series of options. Locate WP Travel Engine and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear where you need to navigate to Settings and then select Emails Notifications. This is where you'll manage all email-related settings for your travel bookings. Now let's focus on the booking confirmation email specifically. Scroll down until you find the booking confirmation email section. This is the email that gets sent to your customers once they've successfully made a booking, and it's crucial for it to be both informative and welcoming. Click on this section to expand it. In this part of the screen, you'll see the editable sections of the email. Let's start by customizing the email content. This is the main body of your confirmation email, and the spot where you can add personalized messages, details about the booking, or any other important information you'd like your customers to receive. Make sure your message clearly conveys all necessary details about the booking while maintaining a friendly tone. Next, you'll want to take a look at the subject line of the email. The subject line is your customer's first glimpse of what the email contains, so it should be catchy and relevant. Click on the subject line field to make your edits. Aim for clarity and brevity, possibly including the name of your travel company or a highlight of the customer's trip to capture their attention immediately. Moving on to the message body, you have the option to include placeholders. These are dynamic fields like trip name, customer name, or booking amount that automatically populate with the relevant information when the email is sent, adding a personalized touch that can greatly enhance the customer's experience. Simply click on the areas where you wish to include these placeholders and select the ones that suit your needs. Once satisfied with your edits, be sure to save your changes. This is crucial, otherwise all your hard work could be lost. There's a Save Changes button at the bottom of the settings page. Make sure you click it. Finally, it's a good practice to send a test email to yourself. This final step is optional but highly recommended. Sending a test email ensures that your formatting is correct and everything appears as you intended. It's an extra step towards professionalism and customer satisfaction. And there you have it, a freshly edited booking confirmation email using WP Travel Engine. Thanks for watching today, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below.